house of my family house here in the countryside. So
Hi everyone, so since I make a video of house tour, so before that I'm gonna give you a quick video. So our house in the countryside before and after. So by the way, we're gonna start the build. That one is way back 2019, but I know guys that it's very difficult life to surviving every single day, but I'm gonna try my best to help our family because I love my family so much, and I'm really grateful guys that have a brother and sister to help each other to continue to build the house, but actually not yet fully done because I immediately or emergency returned to the country due to my mom. So my sister will continue to finish the house. She will gonna buy some material like tiles and selling. So I'm really grateful that having a family that helping each other.
hi guys! So for today's video, I will gonna tell you guys our house of my family house here in the countryside. So by the way, this is me again, Filipina MG Vlog, and for today's video, I will gonna tell you everyone, this is the house of my family here in the countryside. So let's go. So first we have here in the this is the sala. So as you can see, this is very simple. So my brother gonna make design. So yeah, this one the sala, and every have we have like a party or event or fiesta. So we were gonna sit down here and the sala. Okay, let's go to get inside. So first, we have a dining table. So this is the dining table. We were gonna use mostly this. We will not use this for deli because we have table there in the dirty kitchen. So this is small dining table. So yeah, the dining table, simple. And we have room. So this is room is for my three sister or four sister if we came here in the countryside. So yeah, let's go. I'm gonna show you the small room, but this is simple guys. You know, in the countryside, living in the countryside is like, it's not rich, but like simple and yeah, medium. So a little room, we have cute curtains. So my sister bought this one, the curtain, and of course the simple bed. So no foam because we are living in the countryside, like simple. Okay, let's go to the another room. That room is by the way, we have a little cabinet here. So yeah, cabinet, we have TV and electric fan, and of course the design of little toys. So let's go for the second room. This is for my father room. Yeah. But of course, this is a very simple since we are living here in the countryside. So my father room, this is a simple. We have a bed, and of course the cabinet. This is for my father cabinet. And yeah, that's it. Two room. Only two room. This is my father sleep there. Yeah, only my father sleeping there. This is for my father room. And of course, we proceed to the small cabinet. And let's go to the small bathroom. That's our bathroom here in the countryside, guys. So I'm gonna show you the bathroom. Yeah. So we have yeah, of course, living in the countryside, we have this one. Since we don't have faucet, so we will gonna use this one for tang. So we need to put into full so that we have water to use every time that we will gonna use a bathroom. So we have a simple, and yeah, that's it. Bathroom here in the countryside, of course. And let's proceed to the Little Ref. So this is Little Ref, guys. This is for my father, and of course we have yeah, a little one here in the inside. Yeah. And let's proceed to the little sala. So watching the TV. So yeah, sofa bed. So that's it. And we have a small altar on sa may or every time that we were gonna pray or something like that. So we have a small altar here. Let's proceed to our dirty kitchen. So this kitchen, guys, is used every time we were gonna cook. So this is our dirty kitchen. So let's go to our dirty kitchen, guys. So of course, living in the countryside, since we don't have stove, so we were gonna use this one. This is, I don't know, but this is used for firewood. Firewood. So since in the countryside we don't have gasol or stove, so we were gonna use this one. So as you can see, look at the pot, guys. Yeah, look at the pot. So this is the color of the pot because we were gonna use firewood. So this is what happened of the fat. So yeah, I will gonna you guys introduce you that this is life living in the countryside. We have a simple life because in the province is different rather than in the city. So we have a small dining table here in the kitchen. This is dirty kitchen, guys. And guys, maybe that's for today's video. And about the cost, because we cannot estimate how much the cost, because every time that we build the house since 2019, but we cannot like compute the cost, because every time that we have budget, so we were gonna continue or we were gonna continue to build the house. So because that time is my mother is not passed away, but my mother will gonna bought some materials. But of course, my brother said estimated this cost house, I think 600,000 pesos. But we build this house not for myself, but of course with my whole family, because yeah, I love my family so much. So of course, this is my whole family. So I am very grateful, everyone, that my whole family will gonna helping each other. Maybe that's for today's video. And this is me again, Filipina MG Vlog, here in the province. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, guys, feel free to visit my channel, Filipina MG Vlog. And you can, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will get updated for more video update. Bye for now. This is me again, Filipina MG Vlog, here in the countryside. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.